Hi guys, I just got my box back from repair because whenever I hit the 48 volt button, it makes a lot of noise, like hissing white noise. Well, I just plugged it in. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's just as bad as before I sent it in. So what I'm going to do is turn the 48 volt button off, and you can probably hear the hissing is gone. And then here I'm going to turn it on. There's the hissing. Turn it off and it goes away. So I have another box I'm going to plug in. It's an older box, but guess what? It doesn't have any noise. There's the garbage one. Alright. Plug this in. Okay. I'm going to plug in the XLR cables and same settings on this box as the other one. I turn on the button and there's no hissing, as you can hear out of the speaker. So something wrong with this box. It's giving me a ton of noise that this older box is not. This is making crappy recordings. This one is not. So I need this one fixed. Please